Welcome to your dream home. For $12 million, you definitely won't be able to find anything like this. My name is Denis. I'm a real estate broker here in Miami, and today I'll show you this masterpiece. This 7,500 square feet house, 5 bedrooms, 7.5 bathroom, pure luxury between 2 floors, and you can park your beautiful boat right in front of it. I do love personal layout of this house. Take a look at this office. Right in front of your office, you have a 1-car garage on this side and another 2 on the other side. But the main detail here, you have a glass wall. You can put your favorite car, vintage or maybe sport car right here, and you can keep an eye on it any time of the day while you're sitting here in the office. Other side of the office has a glass wall, and you can enjoy your kids playing around or looking at your friends while they cook something in the summer kitchen. You even have your own elevator. That house has everything. Wine cellar, you can put probably a couple hundred bottles right there. You have your small bar station here, but there's another full bar I'll show you later. The kitchen is a dream. Very spacious with the luxurious materials, huge countertops, double door heating, fridge, meal appliances, with very expensive pantry right behind me, and those countertops covered with luxurious natural materials, porcelain, marble, wood, and leather. Look at those beautiful high chairs covered with the super soft leather. By the way, what do you think about this pocket doors? This is one of my favorite parts of this house. It's a huge wall covered in glass, can be hidden inside of the house, inside of this wall. Step outside with me. You have your summer kitchen where you can cook your favorite dishes with your friends and family. Humongous pool. Look at the size of this pool. Fireplace. I like the jacuzzi. Take a look at this jacuzzi. I really like the jacuzzi centered in the middle of the terrace with the water overflowing the edge. This huge size of the terrace with a couple of additional pockets, I would call it, lounge areas where you can enjoy our Miami weather and of course this unbeatable views. Imagine yourself, you woke up, your Riviera is 8 minutes away, you drove there, had your breakfast, got your favorite drink, and came back to your house and enjoyed full day under the sun. Time flies, and by the evening, it's time to enjoy another beautiful day in sunny Florida. Imagine walking into your own bar and creating your favorite cocktail. Mine is vodka and soda water. What is yours? After making yourself a cocktail, you can enjoy it in this beautiful lounge on this very comfortable sofa with the super soft leather. All the furniture you see in here, it's a staging, and house comes fully furnished. If you want to buy it with it or without it, it's always negotiable. Staging, it's a service that provided by staging company or brokers. It helps to sell your property much quicker. Let's go and take a look at the second floor. Here we go, we are on the second floor. On the second floor, you have primary bedroom on one side of the house and 3 bedrooms on the other side of the house. Let me show you primary bedroom that takes half of the house. Look at this humongous closet, and this part is just hers because you have like smaller addition. It's his closet. What do you think? I think it's gorgeous. Built out with the island. Let me show you his part. Smaller, but big enough at the same time. And I like color, dark color of the wood. By the way, it's coming back. It was not that popular before. I see it's more and more coming back. Welcome to your bathroom. Just take a look at the size of this shower room. Humongous, right? Double head. Whole room is covered in a white, beautiful marble with a dark wooden parts. Standalone tub. And by the way, you can enjoy from your bathroom or from your bedroom this fireplace. And you can see one room from another. Spying on me? By the way, have you seen that feature? You have a fireplace and the window where you can see through from bedroom to bathroom and opposite way. What do you think? Interesting. And welcome to your primary bedroom. I would love to take a nap, but I have to finish it. Let's go outside. Size of it, you can put, I think, like maybe 4 studios that I used to see back in Manhattan. And you have humongous terrace. Oh, I forgot to show you this one. Look at those wood panels. They're real wood, it's not plastic or some kind of fake thing. I love the idea in general because natural colors and natural materials, it's always a great idea. Terrace, you can put lounge chairs. I think you can even fit easily dining table for, I don't know, 5 people if you want to. And look at this view. This is what you're paying for. Key facts about this house. First of all, location, great location on the water. Second, design, look at this design. Personally, I do love it. It's not spec home where you can see they tried to save on every material. Here you can see the quality of the finishes, best materials, and you can see they really put lots of effort to build that house. Floor plan of the house was very well designed. First floor is entertainment areas where you can enjoy your cooking, sitting with a family of friends, working in the office, or drinking your favorite cocktail at the bar. On the second floor, you have your bedrooms, main bedroom on one side of the house, and other secondary bedrooms located on other side of the house. This is also one of the great features of the floor plan, by my opinion, because if you have kids playing around in the bedrooms, you're not gonna hear them in your primary suite. You have everything that you need in this house. Let's go over again. You have a huge living room, bar, 3-car garage. You have your office. You have 2 washrooms, 1 on each floor. You have 4 bedrooms on the second floor. You have 1 bedroom on the first floor that probably is going to be used by nanny or maid. Summer kitchen, pool, jacuzzi. So everything that you can ask for, you have in this house. Personally, I would replace a couple of furniture pieces for sure, because it's just not my cup of tea, I would say, right? I have a kid and I would love to create slightly different vibe. As well, I would add art pieces in here. and I would put beautiful car right there next to the office. And you know what I would add? You see the room right there behind the summer kitchen? It's a shower and bathroom. I would add sauna in there, for sure. Also, I would add plants inside. On the first, second floor, for sure, I would add some of the plants. By the way, there is one company I think you can water them once a month, so it's kind of life hack. You don't have to do it every day. And add some landscaping outside. This is just my personal preferences, let's call it. If you have pets or kids, I would suggest to install fence. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. And if you're ready to buy this beautiful gem or any other properties in South Florida, give me a call. I will be happy to help you to find your future home.